Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never given it away.
Alright, so today we're going to do a wig review on this lace wig right here. It is a blonde, like a dirty blonde look. I feel like I had this before, but I didn't have it this long. So this is a 26-inch lace front. So 4 by, I think it's 4 by, no, 6 by 4. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up. And I'll let y'all know what it is on display. I'm just ready to install it, and today I'm going to install it with some new adhesive spray that I had got from is it Temu? I think I got it from Temu. I already used it, so I like the way it works. It doesn't last for days, but it lasts long enough. So I want to start taking my wigs off daily, so that spray will hold down for a day, and I could just take it off with some water and be done with it. Alright, so this is the 26-inch lace front wig. It's a 6 by 4 probably. Something like that. I don't really know my wigs like that. But it's a dirty blonde, which is my favorite color hair to go on my skin. I can wear this hair with no makeup and still look good, in my opinion. So it's like a wavy, curly hair. So this one I did not wash when I got it out the package, because if I wash it, it's gonna be gone, and I don't want to recurl it. So it already comes with baby hairs, just a little bit top right here, which is fine, because at the end of the day, that's all you're gonna do is see the front part anyway, even with my side part. And on the inside, it comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, if y'all can see that, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. And the good thing is it already comes with the strap, adjustable strap at that. Because I have a black one that doesn't come with an adjustable strap, and that mug is too tight for my head. It fits perfectly, but over time it starts to hurt my head because it's so tight. But I love that wig. I love the wig. So I just cut the strap off and, use it as I can. It still fits good though. So I'm going to install this wig. Of course, I'm not going to do it on camera. It's not my style. But I'm going to show you guys the spray I'm going to use. I got it from Temu. I will definitely leave that link below. So if you want to try it, it's like a melting spray, and it works really, really good. Really good. It makes me want to take my time and do my hair. So, alright, so this is the spray I got from Temu. I'm not even going to try to say that name, but it's the melting spray, glueless lace for lace wigs, of course. Protect your edges, and it definitely doesn't pull out any edges, doesn't pull on your hair. You can actually take it off without no water. It's just like, it just sticks. It doesn't pull anything up. So, but I still use the water just in case. But I did take it off yesterday with no water, and I see no hairs in my wig, wig cap. So I'm gonna put this on. I probably put that part in the video, but let me just do part of my hair, then I'll show y'all probably how I put this on. Alright, so this is how the wig came out. All I did was tie it down with my little hair tie thingies. My little thing right here, and let it stay down for a couple minutes while I got ready for work. And now I'm just going to do my makeup to make the video a little bit longer. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it in silence, of course, because it's quick. It's just my eyes. I'm not doing my whole face because I'm going to work. So.
working in LA, so I'ma send a Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. Should leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, really in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my
Alright, you guys, this is the end of my video. Oh, the review on the wig. I like the wig. It is a little big in the back, even though it got the little strap on thing. It's not tight enough for me, but you know, it'll work. It does have the comb to dig in the back of my hair, so therefore it make it a little tighter, but there's still some space there to put my finger up here, which is, I guess, is okay because it ain't gonna hurt my head. But I really like that spray, so I'm gonna put it in the description box for you guys to check out, because it looks really good. I mean, I of course probably some more makeup on it, but for right now it looks really good. And I usually always take it off and reapply when I feel like it's not looking the best. So that's something I would do tomorrow. But for today, I love the way it looks. It's fine, it's perfect. And my hair is going to probably cover it anyway. Probably not all night though, because I don't like hair on my face at night. Other than that, yeah, I like it. I give this wig a 10 out of 10 because I love the color, number one. I love the lace color. I love to have combs in here, even though I don't use all of them. The one in the back is the most important comb for me. And I love the length of the hair, 26 inches. Love it. All the curls fell out, it looks like, but I'm going to have to go ahead and put some more curls in it.
Just wanna know if I should keep your number.